Caleb, hurry up, you us. Okay class, listen for the morning announcements and then we can get started.
Good morning, Mustangs. It's Monday, April 26, 2021, and here are your morning announcements from William Anderson, your SB president. This Friday, our baseball team will be playing away against Pioneer High School. Be sure to support them. Be sure to pre-register for the vegan teacher debate hosted by our speech and debate team on May 21st. Together, we can prove we're wrong. Finally, for our juniors, May 4th to May 7th is state testing for math, and May 11th to May 14th is state testing for English. Have a great day, students, and go Mustangs!
Oh great, I hate state testing. There's always that one autistic kid who plays that sound half an hour into the test, and it's so fucking annoying.
Caleb, you're such a pussy. Okay, let's start the day with factoring.
Caleb, wake up. You have state testing.
Well, I can't wait to waste an hour and 45 minutes of my life on a shitty test. I really don't want to do the shit.
Caleb, this is the last time you have to do it. Just suck it up and you won't ever have to do it again.
Well, I can't just cut myself off from it, can I? Wait, I've just somehow given myself a fantastic idea.
What is it?
Oh, it's nothing too serious.
Okay, fine, whatever. Anyways, we're here. Good luck.
Like I was saying, I have a fantastic idea. In the middle of the test, I will ask to go to the bathroom. If she won't let me go, I'll fake having diarrhea. And when everyone least expects it, I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha.
Okay class, make sure your sound works, and then you may begin the test.
Shit. I need to get out of here before that one kid plays it over and over again. Excuse me, teacher, can I use the bathroom real quick?
No, not right now.
What? Why not?
Because we're about to begin the test. You should have gone earlier.
Well, great. That didn't work. Looks like I'm going to have to use plan B. It's a good thing I have a small remote that makes diarrhea noises and even releases fart smells. Teacher, I don't feel so good.
Oh yeah, I can smell it and hear it. Go take care of yourself right now. Sorry for not letting you go earlier.
Why couldn't you be sick before we were confined? Miss, please turn on the air freshener.
On it. Ryan, please stop playing that sound. Your sound works. We get it.
Ha 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 ha. That was way too easy. Let's get this done and get me out of testing.
What the hell's going on? Well, since there was no fire drill that was supposed to happen today, there might be a fire. We need to get out of here now.
That was perfect. Best of all, no one can figure out it was me.
Attention students and faculty, we apologize for the false alarm. The fire department has checked, and there is no fire. Great job everyone. You were all prepared for an emergency. On a related note, Caleb Bennett to Principal Thompson's office immediately.
What the hell do you want from me, Thompson?
So it would appear that you pulled the fire alarm?
What evidence do you have to back that up?
Don't play dumb with me, you little shit. We caught security camera footage of you pulling the fire alarm.
Oh shit, I, didn't think about that.
Yeah, no shit, Sherlock. You cost the school $22,000 both for wasting our time for state testing, and for having the fire department come to us. That's it, you're expelled. Go home now.
Caleb, you're so wrong.
wanted for 643873268 years for terrorizing your classmates. Honestly, what the hell is wrong with you? Why must you terrorize